Well, now I'm going to show you the code, the program with a large dataset. At first, I'm going to pick two actresses. They are going to be Helen Pompeo and Angelina Jolie. As we can see, the game displays that they have 3 degrees of separation. Here is a list of the connections that the game does to link Helen Pompeo with Angelina Jolie and the films in between. The other example is going to be with the small dataset. Here I'm going to pick Kevin Bacon and Tom Cruise. As we can see again, they have 1 degree of separation. That is because they work together in A Few Good Men. This show works exactly the same. The only difference is the amount of information that the sets have. The last example I'm going to show you is using again the small data set, but in this example I'm going to pick an actress and an actor that are not linked to each other. They are not connected. As we can see, the game displays that they are not connected to each other. And this is the full implementation of the game and how it works.